Welcome to Tek Science videos. I have provided the link for downloading Genymotion in the description. If you have VirtualBox installed in your system, click the download option without VirtualBox, else click on option with VirtualBox. I have already downloaded the Genymotion with VirtualBox.
VirtualBox audio.
With Oracle VirtualBox. If you want to update, you can. The Oracle VirtualBox is must in order to run the Genymotion. There is an interface that connects the Oracle VirtualBox and Genymotion. Now, the Genymotion opens. The version of Genymotion that we have installed is 3.1.0. Whatever virtual device that we install in Genymotion, it is automatically shown up in the Oracle VirtualBox. The Genymotion is useful for mobile scrapping using Appium, which will be shown in the next video. Now, let's see how to install the virtual device inside Genymotion. Click on the plus sign and it will show you the list of virtual devices that are available for installation. Click on any one of the device and install it in your system. In this video, I am going to install Google Nexus 4 with 5.0 Android version. Do not change the default settings and click on install. The Google Nexus 4 with Android 5.0 version. Open the Oracle VirtualBox and look for the device named Google Nexus 4, which you have currently installed in Genymotion. Right-click on the Google Nexus 4 device and click on Settings. Inside Settings you have various tabs. At first it shows the General tab that contains the general configurations. Click on the System tab, which contains various tabs such as Motherboard, processor and accelerator configurations that is set by default for the device. At the bottom, click on the warning invalid settings detected. It shows there is more virtual CPUs assigned to the virtual machine than the number of physical CPUs on the host system, which will degrade the performance of the virtual machine. To avoid this error, go to the Processor tab and instead of 4 CPU change the number to 2 CPU, which is not done in this video. Check the configurations. Click on the Storage tab, which contains the disks used for booting the virtual device. You have 2 disks which is of the format VMDK and 1 SD card disk which is of format FAT. Now, click on the Network tab and check the 2 adapters, which is Adapter 1 and Adapter 2. By default, the Adapter 1 contains host-only adapter with the name VirtualBox host-only Ethernet adapter, and the Adapter 2 contains NAT with no name. If you click on the advanced options in both Adapter 1 and Adapter 2, you can see the advanced configurations. Now, click on OK and close the window of both Oracle VirtualBox as well as Genymotion. Before starting the virtual device, it is required to disable the Hyper-V in your system. It is also must to enable the virtualization in your system boot options. I have provided the link of this blog in the description. It is used to switch between Hyper-V and VirtualBox on Windows. So that when you follow this on the system again, you will see 2 options. Click on No Hyper-V, then only the Genymotion virtual device can be booted in your system. Now open the Genymotion. Click the colon on the right side of Google Nexus for virtual device and start the virtual device. Now, the virtual device is started and the device screen will be shown. The device does not contain any Google apps pre-installed in it. If you want to install the Google apps, click on the OpenGApps icon present on the right side. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Until then, this is Tek Science signing off. See you soon.